The dark and stormy night. A tale of high adventure and daring do by Neil H. Stormy. It was a dark and stormy night, and down the road a worthy wight did wend his way with muckle might. The wild wind that whistled coldly o'er. League after league he struggled on, bedraggled, sopping, woe begone. He craved deliverance anon, but forged ahead so boldly o'er. The fate some succor then bestowed, for just ahead, beside the road, he spied the hairy hag's abode. The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. The lightning flashed, the thunder roared. He couldn't stand it anymore. He dragged himself up to her door and forged ahead so boldly. 3 times he knocked, loudly cried, "Hello, is anyone inside? May I come in until I'm dried?" The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. Above the storm's ferocious din, he heard a cackle from within. "Just lift the latch and come on in." He forged ahead so boldly o'er. And when he stepped into her hut and saw the filthy, fetid slut, a deep revulsion grabbed his gut. The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. "Welcome to ye, handsome sire. Come on over by the fire." The one eye flickered with desire. He forged ahead so boldly o'er. "I know I'm old and ugly too, but there is magic I can do. 3 wishes I will grant to you." The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. "But first you have to pay my price. My love life needs a little spice. You'll have to satisfy me thrice. Come, forge ahead so boldly o'er." It's not the purpose of this lay to titillate in any way. Suffice that he agreed to pay. The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. Soon afterwards, she squealed in glee, "Oh, glory! That was good for me. What favor can I grant to thee for forging on so boldly o'er? I sorely need a noble horse, with all accessories, of course." "Done," she yelled. "More intercourse." The wild wind whistled coldly o'er. But seconds took a longer time, a difficult and upward climb. At last she moaned, "Oh, that's sublime." He'd forged ahead so boldly o'er. "I wish I had a warm abode." "It's yours," the rampant harpy crowed. "But there's one ride you haven't rode." The wild wind whistled coldly. All night they formed the 2-backed beast. Their sweaty swiping never ceased. until her passions were released. He forged ahead so boldly. She was completely satisfied. Wasted, weak, and bleary-eyed, he asked her for a comely bride. The wild wind whistled coldly. She wrote him out a witch's spell and sealed it in a magic shell. Now listen up and listen well, then forge ahead so boldly. Journey onward as you roam by mountains, land, or sea or foam. Seek out a goodly place for home. The wild wind whistled coldly. Unseal the shell and loudly read the spell within. Your house and steed will soon appear. Wife too, indeed. Go, forge ahead so boldly. He journeyed for another year until he found a spot so fair. Enough's enough. I'm stopping here. The warm wind whispered gently. He broke the shell and seized the note, then gasped at what the slattern wrote. There's no such thing as witches, goat. Now get yourself right, Bentley. You ask, what might the moral be to this rough piece of poesy? The answer is quite plain to me. When wild winds whistle coldly, those who swap their love for gain will end up with a load of pain. So join me in this last refrain, then forge ahead so boldly.